Once upon a time, there was nothing but God. We don't know why, but God decided to create the universe. In an instant, the world was created, and we came into existence after long periods. What? Can this story convince you? So, what should we do? Let's look at the physical narrative of the creation of the universe. Once upon a time, there was nothing but emptiness. We don't know why, but in the void, an imbalance between matter and antimatter occurred, leading to the dominance of matter. This dense primordial matter gave rise to the entire physical universe through the Big Bang explosion. But wait a moment, these two stories are similar. How did creation happen? Did we come from nothing? What events occurred before this universe? What is nothing, and how can something come from it? In this video, we try to answer all these questions as much as possible. We research and study to find answers to the questions we ask ourselves in solitude, taking a journey into the mysterious world within and exploring the secrets hidden in the pages of books. Join us on this exploratory journey. Subscribe to the Hidden Secrets channel and hit the notification bell. According to cosmologists, if the universe is closed, the total energy of it must be precisely zero. But what does this mean? To better understand this matter, imagine a cat falling into a large hole. We have to provide energy to the cat to help it get out of the hole. Suppose when the cat is standing on the ground outside the hole, its power is zero. Therefore, because we had to help the cat with energy to bring it to zero energy, we can say that the cat inside the hole has a certain amount of negative energy. Similarly, we have to give it energy to remove a planet from within a planetary system. When the Earth is in free space, its energy is zero. Because we had to give energy to the Earth to bring it out of a solar system and make it reach zero energy, the planet has negative energy within the solar system. As a result, according to cosmologists' calculations, if we sum up all the energy of particles in the universe according to this rule, we reach the number zero. It's as if no free energy exists in the universe, and any positive energy has an equal negative counterpart. But where did this universe come from? According to the latest theories in cosmology, our universe began to emerge from a space that scientists call a quantum vacuum. Everything originated from a minimal amount of matter. This amount, dense and hot beyond imagination, resulted from the dominance of matter over antimatter due to the imbalance of forces. As a result of the collision of these forces, the explosion of matter gave rise to space, time, and everything we recognize in our surroundings. The emergence of the universe from nothing or emptiness is a mystery that, despite the beliefs of cosmologists, has not yet found a place for scientists and is not so easily understandable. However, this theory has successfully answered many fundamental questions in physics. For example, one of the strangest phenomena in the world, which seems ordinary to us, is the rotation of almost everything. From the water flowing into the drain to the Earth rotating around the Sun and the Milky Way galaxy rotating around the local galactic cluster. Everything in the universe is in rotation. Nevertheless, the bizarre result is that if we add up all these rotations happening in different directions, we still get zero. Once again, this theory firmly shows us that the universe indeed came into existence from nothing. The last fantastic point about the universe that has astonished many cosmologists is that the total charge in our galaxy, including all positive and negative electric charges, is also zero. It is said that within our bodies, if there is only 100th difference in net electric charge, we quickly fall apart, and our body parts disintegrate due to electric forces. Perhaps think of lightning and the difference in charge between clouds and the ground right now. But we should know that the total number of charges, even for thunderstorms and lightning, is still zero. But can these theories be compatible with the statements in religious books such as the Quran? When it is said that we created everything in pairs, does it refer only to living beings, or does this duality apply to all scales, large and small, in the universe? Some spiritual teachers and researchers believe that the creation of pairs in the universe refers to the existence of matter and antimatter, negative and positive electric charges, negative and positive energy, and all the elements of our universe. Elements that, if not in pairs, would not add up to zero and would disrupt the universe's equilibrium, exploding and disintegrating like our bodies. Some other spiritual teachers consider the creation of the universe from nothing. They say that God designed and created the universe in an instant. According to spiritual beliefs, this universe had no previous example and was entirely new and unique. Moreover, it was built in absolute timelessness. This harmony of Quranic verses and the beliefs of religions and mysticism with modern scientific theories of cosmology may seem coincidental or even laughable from the perspective of many, because many consider the creation stories in these books as myths and superficial. However, according to spiritual teachers, these stories are superficial and strive to convey the complex and fantastic truth of creation in a simple and symbolic language to humans. A truth that, to understand it, perhaps the only way is to use the common language of humans, namely the language of symbols. Today, psychologists and neuroscientists consider myths, stories, and symbols to be one of the most critical components of the collective unconscious of humans in mental and brain studies. In this video, we explored the creation of the universe from nothing. We saw that the latest theories of cosmologists and quantum physicists can be in the same scientific form as the stories mentioned in the Quran, the Bible, and other spiritual books.